Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Oanda review and what are the things that you have to be aware of. So it's not a traditional prop firm, and it's a regulated global forex broker that introduced a prop style program mainly built around rebates, performance-based rewards, and scaling opportunities. So how it actually works and what you can actually get from it. So you trade your own money, and you can have higher leverage, reduced spreads, performance-based boosts, and access to professional grade tools. If I'm not mistaken, this company is bought by FTMO, and that means is that it's like FTMO is a great company. So if you want to use Oanda, you can expect also that is like good. I can even check it right now, like FTMO Oanda bot. Yeah, strategy partnership is separate from the... Okay, yes, it's true. The retail prop trading firm FTMO has acquired the forex broker. So that's good. Now, when we're gonna dive even further for it, so it's regulated globally: US, UK, EU, Japan, Singapore, Australia, 20 plus years old, highly reputable. You can have low spreads, very stable execution, and industry-leading uptime. And you don't have... so it's not suitable if you want like large funded accounts, of course. And if you want to trade swing or position strategies, and then also the payouts are instant, so that's good. And yeah, so it's like it's a great company to invest to. Now, when you're gonna go further, also good API. And it's not like a real prop firm, so this is something that you have to be kind of aware of. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.